Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chemophilic. So before moving on into the chapter, here are some important reactions. Some important carbon-carbon bond forming reactions. If you want to increase one carbon in the product, these are the reactions that we will have to do. If our substrate is an aldehyde and if we add hydrogen cyanide to it, this product will form. Here, as you have seen, one carbon has increased. Here there are two carbons and here there is one carbon. So one carbon increase in the product. Also to the aldehyde, if you add phosphorus yield, you will get an alkene. And you must know that this is known as Wittig reaction. This is the Grignard reagent. To Grignard reagent, if you add CH2O or carbon dioxide and water hydrolyze it, you may get an alcohol or a carboxylic acid. For 2 carbon increase in the product, if the substrate is an alkyl halide and if you add acetylide to it, the product will be an alkyne. So here you have seen 2 carbon has increased in the product. To Grignard reagent, if we add an epoxide and water hydrolyze it, we will get a primary alcohol. Also to Grignard reagent, if we add CH3CHO, we get a secondary alcohol. That is, on addition of an aldehyde, we get secondary alcohol. On addition of a ketone to Grignard reagent, we get a tertiary alcohol. On condensation of 2 aldehyde, we get alpha-beta unsaturated aldehyde. This is aldol condensation. We will know it in details. So this was some important reactions that you must note it down. Now we will move forward to some important syntheses. An important synthesis that will help you to further disconnect the target molecule. It is Corey-House synthesis. What is it? When alkyl halide is treated with lithium dialkyl cuprate, then alkane is obtained. This reaction will take place in the presence of ether, and this is the reagent, lithium dialkyl cuprate, known as Gilman reagent. Take a look on the general reaction. Alkyl halide, when treated with Gilman reagent in presence of ether, we get an alkane. And these are the byproducts, R-Cu and LiX. Ethyl bromide on treatment with lithium diisopropyl cuprate will give this as a product, this alkane. Note it down. Now we will move forward to disconnection involving Corey-House synthesis. If we take this compound as an example, this is the point where we will disconnect, so that we get two types of synthons here. You will get an idea as where to give positive and negative charge, because look here, copper is a metal and you know metal possesses positive charge. So automatically adjacent carbon will get a negative charge, and from here you can get an idea that this will be positive. So you will give here negative, because this you can form from this you can form this synthetic equivalent. See, this synthon will be this synthetic equivalent. These are the synthetic equivalents. Okay, this was the retrosynthesis. Now let's synthesize this target molecule using these two synthetic equivalents. See here, these are our two synthetic equivalents that we have used. in presence of ether, this will undergo Corey-House synthesis to give us our target molecule. This is the target molecule we have got, and the other two are the byproducts. We will take another example here. So disconnect this. This will be the point of disconnection. After this, do retrosynthesis. You will get two types of synthons also here. Here you can give anywhere positive or negative charge. Okay, there is no point that you will give here only positive and here only negative. From here you will get two types of synthetic equivalents, as you have seen in our previous example. This is almost similar to that. These are the two synthetic equivalents. Now we will synthesize the target molecule using these two synthetic equivalents by Corey-House synthesis. Synthesizing this, we get our target molecule and the byproducts. So this was the method of Corey-House synthesis. Come look upon some examples that questions that have come in your previous year exam 2016 Dibrugarh University paper. So this was one of the question. Here it was asked to simply show where to disconnect and mention the synthons and synthetic equivalent. Okay, so this is an example of Corey-House synthesis. You can proceed here. You will simply disconnect here, so that you get two types of synthons. These are the two synthons. From here you will make synthetic equivalent. Hope you people will like the video, and please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends so that maximum of them will be helped by it. We will move on to further topics in our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.